So we're doing science today, and also we're doing slime, and we're going to show you how you can do it at home. So for this, you'll either need one giant bottle of, not giant, but one 8-ounce bottle of Elmer's school glue, or any kind of glue, but the white Elmer's school glue is the best. I don't have an 8-ounce bottle, but I have two 4 ounces, so we're going to use that. You're going to need some baking soda and some eye drop solution, so some saline solution. That you can just get it from the store, you can get it from Walmart. It's not very expensive, and any brand will do. Obviously this is the Walmart brand, peak weight stuff, so you don't have to spend a whole bunch of money on this. You can even have it at home if mom and dad already wear contacts. So ask them first before you steal their contact solution, please. All right, everything else you should probably already have at home. So we're gonna go ahead and mix up our slime, okay? So I'm just gonna open up these two bottles, and we're just gonna dump them in our bowl. Yeah, lots and lots of gooey glue. Again, works fine if you have one 8-ounce bottle. But it did call for 1 8 ounces, but since I didn't have 1 8-ounce, oops, those will be in the trash. All right, it also says you can add food coloring or foam or dye or whatever you'd like. I'm gonna add a little bit of food coloring. I'm gonna add in blue, because I like the color blue. And obviously the more little dots of dye you add, the darker your color's gonna get. You'll need a spoon, and you'll need a tablespoon measuring spoon. So I'm gonna mix my color up first. So I'm gonna have a pretty light blue color. So I'm not gonna mix it up a lot, but just to show you, you just mix up your food coloring in there, and then you're gonna take your baking soda. I'm gonna open it up a little bit better. And you're gonna take 1 tablespoon. Yep. So that's not a very good tablespoon, but that'll work. So you're gonna take 1 tablespoon of baking soda, and you're gonna pour that into your mix. And then you're gonna mix it up. And it should start thickening up as you're mixing it. Okay? Alright, and then last, you're going to add a tablespoon to 2 tablespoons of the contact solution, or the saline solution, okay? So I'm just using the same tablespoon that I missed. And we're just filling it up. I think it would work faster if I probably opened it up, but this is just fun. Alright, I'm going to pour 1 in here. And I'm just going to mix it up with 1 to see what my consistency is. Whew. It's going to go all over the place. Look at that. Oh, it's so sticky and ooey and gooey. Doesn't really fully have the slime feel that I'd like. So I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon. See, I've got it on me. I'm going to go ahead and add 1 more tablespoon of the saline solution. And mix it up. Oh, it's going to go everywhere. Make sure you have plenty of room to do this at home. Oh, see, now that's good slime. Look at that. That looks like gack. I'm that old, okay? Yes. But now we have our own homemade slime. And you can add other things to it at home. You can add shaving cream, so that way you can make it foamy. And you can also add glitter or any other kinds of things you like. If you don't want it to be as sticky, the more saline solution you add, then the thicker it becomes. So it becomes less sticky, so more slime-like and more like a bouncy putty. But anyway, so Miss Josie's gonna have a lot of fun with her slime. And then next week, We are going to be doing technology, and we're going to be talking about Edison robots. So if you want to come down to the library and see what they are, we'd love to have you. If you can't make it, we're going to kind of show you what our Edisons are. So if you can't make it to Full Steam Ahead, we'll at least show you what we're talking about. We hope you have fun, and we can't wait to see you until next week. Have fun. Bye.